Ready? AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. Also, HarbachElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So we have an Ameritron Al811 in for repair. This is why I emphasize to bring it to FedEx office. Any amp you have, bring to FedEx office to have it packed. This was put in a white plastic garbage type bag and placed in a rectangular box with some bubble wrap on the top and peanuts all around the amp. So this was like sideways at an angle with this pointing downwards towards the corner of the box. Got all bent up. Floor's bent up. So I'm going to bend that back. So it has good caps, but pink resistors. I always lift one end, check them, make sure they're within tolerance. They are, so I'm going to replace them with good resistors. So we'll get a new screw with base of the plate choke. Actually, I already changed it. Wanted to make sure, because it was wobbling, wanted to make sure it wasn't broken. So you always want to do that. Oops, sorry, because during shipping it only catches a few threads. It backs out halfway usually, and then it'll end up, the plate choke will fall over and break. So gonna clean the input rotary switch, output rotary switch with deoxit gold, compress the socket clips, add gas discharge tubes. I'll replace the SO239s. I always replace them. One of them is loose. They just always, these Ameritron ones always fail. They just always fail. Cheap insurance. Put an amp into an open, you can do some serious damage. The customer already bought brand new Penta tubes. So I'll stick those in, and the SO239s come from Max Gain Systems. Okay, so I'm gonna get to work. Stay tuned. I have an SB220 here. I pulled out, diagnosed, so I'm waiting on a payment for that because it needs a lot of work. Starting payment, and I should be doing that Friday. Okay, so stay tuned. We're back with the completed Al811 with the 1 kW slug, bird 43, PEP kit is on, all genuine bird stuff, going into a bird dummy load. Customer wants to see it working on 20 meters. Radio set to roughly 50 watts. Amp, audio hello, 600, 600, 600, 600, 600, 600, 600, 600. Hello. There are the settings right there. Hello. Audio hello. Works as it should. Audio hello. I have to get close to the microphone. Okay, so I'll test the other bands, and if everything's good, I'll show you what else I had to do and the rest of it. Okay, see you guys soon. So here's the inside. I'll show you everything I did. First off, these two switches were originally stuck open. So when I first tested it, it would not key. So I had to replace this. This switch was not making continuity when it was in the up position. So I replaced that switch, and then I noticed that it would not switch from plate current to high voltage. So this switch was open. So here are the old switches. They are a pain in the butt to change. So I got those out, and I had to clean this one. It had been sitting in. Must have had some oxidation. It was like intermittent, so must have had some oxidation or something on the contacts. So now that's good. Okay, so added the gas discharge tubes, the base of the socket, did the bias modification right there. New SO239s from Max Gain Systems, great people over there. Brand new Penta Lab 572B tubes. Bent the chassis back real good. Took a while. That's all good. Tighten up on hardware, fix solder joints, clean the socket clips, compress the socket clips. The straps are okay. It was amazing, so I left those alone. Check the fuse size. You always check the fuse size before you ever turn the amp on. Changed all the resistors. Got rid of the pink ones. And actually a couple pieces of plastic from the switch that I cut apart. A lot of times I'll cut the these little things off, so it's easier to get it out. But the other one I cut apart. I was halfway out. So that's about it. If you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203 892-4119. Also clean the rotary switches with deoxycold. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And the next amp will be the Heathkit SB220. That thing's a mess. It's going to be a bunch of work. So, see you guys soon. Stay tuned.